We've been talking all about tax strategy and how you reduce your biggest bill in life and how you can take those funds and make sure that you're furthering your investments and building your wealth engine. So we're talking about tax strategies, and lastly is one of the most important. But before you do that, smash that like button, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our pro tips, and please leave a comment. I'd love to hear about your favorite tax strategy as well as any questions that you might have.
Investing Secrets with Kevin Attride.
Okay, so today, one of the most important tax strategies is the tax advisor. Listening to these videos is not enough. Unless you've been doing this for years with a tax advisor, I would be willing to bet that you're not maximizing every tax strategy, or perhaps you're doing some of them wrong. You want to make sure that you're partnering with a tax advisor to make sure that you're implementing the tax strategies that are most appropriate for you. So how do you go about finding the right tax advisor? You want someone who's really relationship oriented, who's going to be very consultative and work with you to understand your investment, to understand your business, and make sure that you're maximizing every single tax break that you can possibly take. Do you pay more taxes than you think you should? Are your taxes limiting your financial returns and goals? Is your CPA actively suggesting tax mitigation strategies? If this describes you, then we would like to show you a better way to reduce your taxes and grow your wealth. We help investors and entrepreneurs attain financial freedom faster by massively reducing their taxes legally and ethically to fuel their wealth engine. We're Smead CPA, the next frontier CPA firm. Click the link below for your free discovery call. Okay, so you know that you want to find a tax advisor. What are the traits? What are the features that you want to look for? You want to make sure that you're finding someone who is already a CPA. You don't want someone who just files taxes, but you want someone who is an expert, who knows the code and has the credentials to back it up. You also want someone who's really good at asking good questions. You want them to be able to understand your every situation and appropriately apply the proper tax code. And you want to make sure that this person has gone through numerous audits and is very confident in helping you for if you are in an audit, because audits happen. And in addition, you want to make sure that this CPA has a clean license. And those are the features that you want to look for in your best tax advisor. And I want you to search carefully, do your due diligence, interview a number of different candidates. Just like you would be very careful in finding the right surgeon to cut out cancer, I want you to make sure that you're going to find the right tax advisor who can maximize every single dollar that the government owes you. And if you want all of these details in a specific guide so that you can reference for your strategy and implementing them year by year, then I want you to click the link below to download my free guide, because I want you to experience financial freedom.
The information contained in this episode are opinions not to be used as individual guidance. As always, consult your own financial team for your investment decisions.